What is the Solar System? The Solar System is a collection of planets, moons, asteroids, and comets that orbit around a central star called the Sun. The Sun is at the center and provides light and heat to the entire system. There are 8 planets in the Solar System: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each planet has a unique set of characteristics, such as size, composition, and distance from the Sun. The planets have different numbers of moons, with Earth having only one and Jupiter having the most. Asteroids are rocky objects that orbit the Sun, mostly located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Comets are made of ice and dust and have a distinctive tail when they get close to the Sun. The Solar System is huge, with the distance from the Sun to Neptune being about 2.7 billion miles. The outer region of the Solar System is known as the Kuiper Belt, which contains icy bodies like Pluto.